bet Natasha done something with it. That major witch. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't noticed, I'm wearing something. It's my dad's old t-shirt, yeah. But I like it. I stole a whole bag of them. That's a nice. And when I finally get a camera, I'm gonna do loads of photo shoots with these. Just like, yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. Okay, but where was I? Right. So back to the point of why I'm making this video today. So today I'm showing you guys how I make my egg omelets. I don't know why I'm doing this one, but I am because I'm having it for lunch, which is right now. But yeah. So this is like a little tutorial how to make my egg omelette. Yeah. Please wait 1 second. Seems that I've lost my laptop. Huh. Oh well, I'll probably set you up later on. So let's get to doing this tutorial. Who the fuck has it actually gone? Oh, I bet Natasha done something with it. That major witch. Like, I've been sleeping on this for the past 2 days now. Basically what you want to do is you want to put 3 eggs in there, just crack it in there, whisk it. Then you want to put a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, just spice up. Then a dash of sunflower oil, or some sort of oil, just a dash of it. And then whatever toppings you want inside it. I chose ham because, yeah. And now what I've just done, I've just put some oil, well not oil, but spray oil, because I don't, yeah. Just sprayed up my frying pan. Now I'm just letting it do its thing, and I'm gonna just pour this in. Is it a good time? I don't know. I don't know if it's a good time. Let's do this. Meh. You don't want to put all of it in. What you want to do is just put a little bit in. Oh my god, this is really gonna annoy me now. It's tilting.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Yep, just want to leave it for a couple of seconds when it looks a little bit white, when it's like kind of like it's white everywhere. Don't know how to show that. So looking white, just use this to scoop it up. Honestly, I wish I had one of those cameras that you can, wait. Is that a better angle? Let's just carefully do this. Okay. I don't actually have to be in this to actually help. Oh no. I'm doing it again. I'm making scrambled eggs practically. Just start to roll it. Yep, like that. Try and make it roll. Don't make it look like scrambled eggs. Just try and make it roll. Just making it roll. Woohoo! Yep, just put all the last ingredients in there. Sizzle onto here, please. Sizzle onto here. Oh, great. I'm not very good at this way. Okay, just keep on flipping it round. It will eventually just, yeah. I've made something. This isn't a teriyaki. This is an Abby omelette. See it and weep it, people. An Abby omelette. Yay! And flip one more last time. Flip one more last time. Yeah, okay guys. Here we go guys, the end results. And it still tastes good. Look at this, here's my dyed chopstick. because I like to use chocolate with this. But guys, do not do what I just did there. Try your best to flip it over so that makes it looks like it's rolling up and not like you're making it look like scrambled eggs. But there you go, guys, the Abbey omelette. It is not, yep, it's called the Abbey omelette. Please put it into a dictionary or a food book, because I just made deliciousness.